future ahead. You gotta smile through the day, show your pearly whites.
Rise and shine!
Now get out of your bed. You gotta love one another and see that we all gotta sparkle and get up and go. You gotta grab that chance, hold on tight, be the star of your show. So what if it's freezing cold and it's raining dogs? You just act like it's summer outside. Follow your yellow brick road to the rainbow's end, and you'll burst with a feeling of pride. You gotta know that you're cool and you got what it takes to change the world. Don't accept status quo. All that I ask of you is believe. Be the star of your show. Sometimes it's tough, the road can be rough. You just never know what the future holds. Keep your head high, don't let it pass by. Blue sky, flying high. Forget your trouble and strife, take a chance on life. Do you wanna be one of the few?
I do!
To tread a different path for adventure and love, to reveal the amazing in you.
You gotta keep yourself moving though in rough times. It can feel like you're stuck on the spot.
Yeah, yeah!
You gotta see your potential and not what you lose or you lack. Hit the goals that you got
And score!
Sometimes there's trouble and fuss, but now look at us. We have found what we've been searching for. And deep within your core, you can soar.
One show more. So take a breath and commit, you commit.